Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to add the toast messages in the React with the help of the Sweetalert2. So let's get started. So here we go with the integrations, that is with the React. So what we have to do, we have to install all this one, which is so we have to install this one, npm install save Sweetalert2 and all. So let's install this packages. Okay, so add this one. Let's install these packages. You have to install these packages, right? Then go with the npm start. Okay, then moving to the next step. This is done. We have to import this one. Both we have to add the import. Okay, so let's add it over here on the top. Okay, both are adding. Now we have to add this one, dot fire did open subclass of that one. So I'm going to add the simple one. So let's go and let's add the sweet alert over here. Usage. Go with the integration, then with React. So here we have the install, then we have done const myswell, this one. So let's add this one, const. Okay, and then we will use this one. Let's add and check. So whenever we do the login, then we will do that one, comment. And we have to add this one, messages we have to show. Okay, let's add and check. So here we go with this one, login, then login. You can see that loading is there, hello world, right? So here we can see that, then return myswell shorthand work tools. Okay, you can see that. So let's add the success message. Okay, so sweet alert 2, we will go with this one. Okay, without integration usage, we will go with this one. Okay, so here we go with this one, configurations. Here we have all the configurations, custom button. Okay, so here you can see the template. You can also add the template also if you want to go with the trigger toast. So all they have. So let's try the error. Okay, so let's go and just go with their methods we have. I think this is gonna be like title is there, icon, input labels. No, we just want the small things, not the, just we want the success messages, examples. Okay, we don't this we don't need, this we don't require it. Okay, and this is error message. This is basically the error oops message. Modal with the error icon, modal with the long context, custom. If you want to show the HTML and all, then this is a success message, right? So we will go with this success message. You can see that this one, like this one, your message has been saved. So let's copy and add this one. Okay, so here we have the title, login successful. right? If you want to show the confirm button, you can. Otherwise, timer should be this top end. Okay, save this and let's try this one. React login, log out, this login. You can see that and automatically gone. So you can see that login successful. So you can manipulate all of these things with the help of this section, right? So whether you want to add the pop-up, whether you want to add with the close button, show cancel button, so you can also go with the show cancel button also. Currently its cancel button is not there, so you can just pass this one. Show cancel button should be true. If I go and just check this one, log out, then this one, you can see that cancel button is there. Whether if you want to make an icon, you can also go with the icon also. So all of these are updated in their documentation. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.